Roger back with you from Gateway Cycles here in beautiful Mount Sterling. I've got another Kymco for you. I don't know if you guys saw my last video on the Kymco 500 MXU. Here I have one of Kymco's side-by-sides. This is the UXV450i LE model in Prime Edition. Now, Kymco, as I told you before in the last video, has been around for about 77 years. They started out as a parts manufacturer and later on developed their own machines. As far as quality, these machines are untouchable. This Prime Edition is a really special edition here, so I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on this machine. First off, the Prime Edition comes standard with a winch. Get down here and give you a little close-up of that. It also comes with a scratch-resistant finish, which is a really nice touch if you're going to be out beating the bushes in it. The Prime Edition also comes with a scratch-resistant Lexan windshield and a hard top included. Another feature on the Prime Edition is 12-inch alloy wheels. Let's zoom in on those here and take a look. And I'll give you a shot of the suspension there too. These things have really good suspension travel. They ride really well. They do about 45 miles an hour. And Kymco's kind of split the difference between a work machine and a trail machine here. So, give you guys a quick walk around on this machine. And it actually has a functional dump bed, which I'll demonstrate to you here in just a second. Let you guys get a close up here on the back end. And around the side, here we go. And we'll show you the cab area here. It's got a tiltable steering wheel, which is a nice feature. Automatic transmission, and I'll light up the gauge cluster for you here. So, a nice gauge cluster with built-in fuel gauge and tell your RPMs and your speed. Come on down here to Gateway Cycles here in beautiful Mount Sterling and check out one of these Kymcos for yourself, or check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. Thanks for watching, guys.